Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to Science Lessons Grade 3, and this is Session 2, Lesson 1, What is Motion? Again, Session 2, Lesson 1, What is Motion? You're gonna find this lesson in the booklet, page 7. So, let's watch the video together to know more about our lesson today.
The boy on the slide is moving down toward the ground. The girl on the bike is moving away from her home. Motion is the change in the position of an object. Isaac Newton was one of the first scientists to describe motion. A position is an object's location. How you describe position and motion depends on where you are located.
So guys, do you remember what the meaning of motion? Here, what the meaning of motion? Let's listen again.
Motion is the change in the position of an object.
Excellent. So, let's back. Motion is the change in the position of an object. Okay. So, what the meaning of position? Who can tell me? Yeah, position. Let's listen again.
Position is an object's location.
Yeah, it's an object's location. Okay, super. Let's continue.
How you describe position and motion depends on where you are located. If you are standing on the sidewalk of a busy street, cars seem to move from left to right. But if you were in a car, the other cars would be moving beside you. Another way to describe motion is by speed. Speed is how fast an object changes its position.
Yeah.
To find the speed of an object.
So, last session we stopped here. Okay. So, we can describe motion by using the word speed. How we can do this? Let's back again to this picture. Do you like this game? Yeah, it's so nice game. Okay, so what the meaning of speed? How fast the object move or change its position. So the meaning of move is change its position. How fast or slow the object move, this is speed. Okay, so if we need to find out the speed, what can we do? We need to know two things: distance and time. Again, distance and time. Okay, let's complete.
To find the speed of an object, divide the distance traveled by the time it took to change positions. Speed is not always constant. A roller coaster changes speed and direction many times throughout the ride.
Yeah, do you like this game? It's so nice game. Start slowly, then go fast, then slow down, then go fast. So this is variable speed. Variable speed. What's the meaning of variable speed? It means that the speed change. How, teacher? Slow, then fast, then slow. Okay, keep change. So this is variable speed. Teacher, we have another kind of speed. Yeah, we have constant speed. We're gonna talk about them maybe in the next page. Okay, so let's now move to the booklet, page 6. Okay, position. Who can read? Yeah, we can. Yes, guys, you can remember with me. We can describe speed or we can describe position using words. You remember? Yeah, and last session we talked about relative positions when we use things to describe the position. Like, my home is next to the supermarket. Yeah, I know you remember this. So today we're gonna talk more about speed. Speed is the measure of how fast an object's position changes. Again, it's the rate of the position change. Again, the rate of the position change. Okay, speed can be fast or slow, variable or constant. You know which one is faster? Rapid. Good job. Okay, So let's talk more about constant speed and variable speed. Constant speed like this truck. Okay, let's look at this truck. This truck is moving steadily on a road at 35 miles an hour. Each hour, this truck moves 35 miles. Each hour. Don't change, okay? Don't change. We can't find in 1 hour change 35, then the next hour change 30. No. Each hour, this truck moves 35 miles on the road. So this is constant speed. Again, constant speed. Super. Okay, so constant speed when a moving object like this truck doesn't change the speed of its motion. Doesn't change the speed, okay? It's moving with a constant speed. Again, constant speed means the speed don't change. Excellent. Okay, variable speed. Do you like these bumper cars? Yeah, I like this game. Okay, so the moving object changes its speed as it moves. Can start slowly, then go fast, or start fast, then slow down. So this is variable speed. The speed change. Okay. The bumper cars can move in different directions. They can move at different speeds. Okay. So let's read together. You can find the speed of an object if you know two things: distance it moved and how much time it took to move. So we have to know two things: distance and time. Again, distance and time. To find speed, divide distance by time. Okay, so let's watch this video to know more about how can we find speed.
Another object? Consider two objects, object 1 and object 2, both moving along the same path. Just by looking at their motion, can you tell me which one of them is moving faster?
Yeah, guys, which one is moving faster? Object 1. Good job. Okay, let's continue.
Clearly, this one is moving faster. In comparison to object 1, object 2 keeps lagging behind. Hence, we say that the speed of object 1 is more than the speed of object 2. Speed is that physical quantity which tells us how fast something is moving. How do we define it? In order to know the speed of an object, there are just two things we need to know. First, the distance traveled by an object in motion, and second, the time it takes to complete that distance.
Yeah, guys, so to find the speed, we need to know two things: distance and time. As you see, here is the distance. This wheel will move from this point to this point. So this is the distance. How long? Yeah, how long the route or the way the object move. Here, the time this object take to move this distance. Excellent. Let's continue.
Consider a car moving on a straight road. First of all, can you tell the type of motion it's undergoing? Since it's moving in a straight line, it's in a rectilinear motion. Suppose the time it takes to reach the other side is 30 seconds. Now consider another car which is similar to the first one. It's also moving in a straight line path adjacent to the first one. The time taken by this red car to cover the same length of the road is 40 seconds.
Okay, guys, which one is faster? The blue car take 30 seconds. The red car 40 seconds. So blue car, good job, because it takes less time. Okay, let's continue.
The blue car covered the path length in 30 seconds, while the red car covered the same path length in 40 seconds. Which one of them was moving with greater speed? By intuition, we can say that the blue-colored car was traveling at a greater speed than the red one. Why? Because the blue car covered the same distance in lesser time.
how can we find the speed? Now we know two things, the time and the length or the distance. So we can find the speed. How? Can you tell me? Yeah, by divide the distance by the time. Good job. Let's continue.
Length is nothing but the distance that the car travels in a given amount of time. Now for each object, if we take the ratio of the total distance covered and the time required to cover that distance, we will get this. This ratio...
Super, guys. Here we find distance and time. We divide distance over time. We can find the speed. Good job. So we divide 420 meters over 40 seconds. We have 10.5 meter per second. Okay, let's continue.
Is called the speed of the object. Yes, speed is distance over time. Since this ratio is greater than this one, it means that the blue car traveled with greater speed. Let's bring in a third car which covers the same distance in 20 seconds.
Wow.
So what is its speed then?
This car takes just 20 seconds, okay, to move all this distance. So which one is faster, higher speed? Red, blue, or white car? White car. Excellent. Why? Because it took less time, just 20 seconds. Okay, let's try to find out the speed of the white car.
The speed is 420 meters over 20 seconds, which will give us 21 meters per second. And you can see that this ratio is the greatest of all.
Yeah, so the speed of the white car is, higher, because the white car is the fastest car. Okay, I hope you got it, guys.
Now I want you to look at the units. Meters per second is one of the units of speed.
Okay, so let's now move to the exercise. I hope you got it. This is page 9 and we have some questions here. I just will answer them and you can write it down, okay, in your booklet. So, put true or false. Number 1, the moving object changes its speed as it moves. Again, the moving object changes its speed as it moves. True or false? True. Excellent. Good job. Okay, number 2. Objects that continue to move at the same rate. The same rate means the speed don't change. Are at variable speed. False. Why? Because this is constant speed. The speed don't change. Okay, number 3. Speed is a change in the position of an object. Speed is a change in the position. No, this is motion, so this is false. Good job. Number 4, the plane flies at the same speed for an hour. The same speed, don't change the speed. So it's moving at a constant speed. True or false? True. Good job. Okay. Choose the correct answer. Which is an example of a car moving at a constant speed? Car moving at a constant speed. Let's see. A car approaching a stop sign. Approaching means slow down maybe. Number B or letter B. A car driving at the speed limit means don't change. Okay. Letter C, a car pulling into a garage. Yeah, this car seems to be stopped. So, B, excellent. A car driving at the speed limit. Why? Because the speed limit means it don't change the speed. All objects in motion change when the object move. Okay, so change their position, size, shape, makeup, position. Yeah, sure. Okay. What is the position of one object compared with the position of other objects? When we compare objects' positions, relative position. Good job. So this is letter A is the right answer. Okay, this is page 10, which is not a way to describe an object's position. Not a way to describe object's position. Let's see. Numbers, position words, force. We can use numbers and we can use position words. So it's force. Good job. Okay. Now we have this map, and we need to describe how you would move from the classroom here. This is the classroom to the cafeteria. Here, this is the cafeteria. Yeah, I will go out from the classroom, then move straight on or go straight on. Then I will turn left. Okay, all right? Right, excellent. I will turn right. Then I will move straight on to find the cafeteria. Good job. Okay, this is page 11. And this exercise, you can do it as a homework. Tick the object. Tick means give it mark, okay? Tick the objects which are fast and cross but X, the objects which are slow. You can do it by yourself, it's so easy. Number 7, what is the difference between constant speed and variable speed? Constant speed and variable speed. Constant speed, the speed stay the same, means don't change the speed, don't change the object in motion, don't change its speed. But variable speed, the object change its speed. Good job. Okay, so we have here a problem. If the bike moves 10 kilometers per 2 hours, okay, 10 kilometers, this is the distance, per 2 hours, this is the time. We need to calculate the speed of the bike. Okay, first the bike's speed equal we gotta put here 10. Excellent. 10 kilometers divided by 2 hours. So we write here 10 and write here 2. It will give me 5 kilometers per hour. Good job, guys. 5 kilometers per hour. And here I just need you to know distance metric units. If we see this abbreviation, this is cm, centimeter. cm means centimeters. You can use your ruler to find the centimeters, okay? Millimeters, you can use your ruler too. mm, millimeters. mm, meter, m, again, meter, m, you can use the metric stick, okay? Kilometer, km, kilometer, km. Okay, time for new words. A moving object doesn't change the speed of its motion. So this is, do you know? Constant speed. Good job. Okay, bumper cars. The moving object changes its speed as it moves. So this is variable speed. Super. Okay, guys, I hope you have fun. This is all for today. See you next time, inshallah. Love you. Bye.